It's a wet day today, so a great chance to get down into the greenhouse and sow some seeds. I start by wetting some peat-free multi-purpose compost. I then mix in all the dry bits of compost with the wet. This is probably a little bit damper than I would normally have it, but the idea is you squeeze it and some water should come out. Today I'm sowing Cucumber Telegraph Improved. It produces a good crop of long, dark cucumbers. Normally one that you would grow in a greenhouse, hot or cold, but I'm going to try and grow this outside as I'm in the south of England, right on the coast, so should get away with it. So first I fill my pot with the multi-purpose compost. You'll notice this pot is cracked, but it's made of plastic, so I'm just going to repair it with some tape, as I'm struggling to get hold of pots this size at the moment. Using another filled pot, I can pack down the compost. So here's what these cucumber seeds look like. They're quite a simple thing to sow. Ideally they would be sown on their edge, like the one in between my fingers, but honestly it doesn't matter too much. The conventional way to sow cucumber seed is just to fill the pot right the way to the top, compress down the compost, top it up again, compress it down, and then on its edge press a seed into the pot. Then just a light dusting over the top, so essentially the seed is about ½ centimetre deep. However, I'm going to plant mine a lot deeper this year just to see if it helps develop a stronger root system and a stronger stem, as they're quite prone to snapping off when you're growing them in pots. So as you can see, my seeds are going to end up about 2 to 3 centimetres deep. I'm now going to fill the pots just up to the top with this good quality seed compost. It's been sieved, it's got plenty of water in it. So here we are, topping off the pots with seed compost. I prefer to use seed compost as it's easier for the seedlings to work their way through, and it helps keep the nitrogen level down, which can affect seed germination, and I just squash down to make sure the holes are filled. As these seeds are planted quite deep, I can give them a good water in from above with a can. I place the pots into a tray on the greenhouse shelf. I'll add some water for the compost to soak up, and I'll label with the date. A propagator lid goes over the top to increase the heat and humidity. Now for a well-deserved coffee.
Cheers.